As we all know, smartboard plays a significant role in our meeting rooms and classroom. So the whiteboard is also included in our conference system. There is a highlight of how we can integrate with our IP KVM. When you connect with our decoders to this whiteboard, and we can activate a touch KVM function. Let me show you how this works. For example, we are in the meeting rooms and connect with the different PC signals from the other multiple meeting rooms from different locations. And all these signals, you can actively preview them here. And you drag and drop it to your whiteboard. And it accepts this touch KVM. We can also use the annotation, like we can use the pens or our fingers to do the touch and drawing draw something or highlight or mark something you like, and it will automatically save in your PowerPoint. And after the touch KVM function, we can also open this whiteboard. It will be more useful when we use it in the classroom. We can choose the different colors and drop something. Draw something, and we can also use the erase to remove or erase some patterns or drawing you draw here. And we also can choose the different educating tools like the rule, triangular, and the corners to search the circles like this. And we also can remove it. For example, enlarge is the radicus. Draw the circles, something. So there are more functions waiting for you to explore. If you have any interest on the products we mentioned above, please feel free to access our website, avcit.com, and thanks for your watching.